Hello and welcome back to the channel and to our second full day here at Hillside Caravan Park, Nayton near Thirsk. Yesterday was a beautiful sunny day and today we've got overcast and very light drizzle. I think it's just like a misty drizzle, but it is clearing a bit. But we were thinking of going to the coast today, but I've looked on a couple of webcams, it looks a bit misty and sort of wet there. So we're thinking of going to Ripon today. We have been to Ripon before, and if I remember, it was very cold. I think it was winter time when we come. So we're going to go back to Ripon and have a wander around Ripon. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video, and we'll see you when we get to Ripon. Bye for now. We've arrived in Ripon. It's brightening up a bit here, it got a bit misty on the way here. Proper price parking, £2.60 all day. Windsor cost us £19 for over 5 hours. So we're going to have a good wander around Ripon now. So we're parked in St Mary's Gate car park. Yeah, there's room for motorhome parking as well, isn't there?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Good parking, car park.
Yes, so if you've got a motorhome, it's easy parking for you.
It's at £2.60 all day.
£2.60 all day, you can't beat that, can you?
Well, £2.60 for 24 hours.
Oh, £2.60 for 24 hours, yeah, in theory.
I mean, you can't knock that, can
You can't. So I think most of the museums are open today, aren't they? This is the Courthouse Museum. You've got the Police Museum,
yeah.
which looks like a big group of school children we're going into.
And then there's the workhouse.
Got the cathedral round the corner, there's a workhouse. So here we have a Ripon Cathedral. It's impressive frontage. Right, that's Ripon Cathedral. We're going to have a look inside. I think we have been in, but I can't remember. But we'll take it in anyway. It's free. Donations welcome. We always leave a donation. So here we are, inside the cathedral. Just opened up the back of the cathedral now. Wow. That's impressive. Have a look in the library and the treasures. Nice room, isn't it? No? Yeah, we have been in before. Last time we come, I remember now. Yeah. Not in this room, but in the cathedral, didn't we? Yeah. It's a very nice cathedral though, isn't it?
That one in Lubiana.
Hey? Oh, that one in Lubiana, yeah.
I don't think we could have fitted any more gold in it.
Right, that's Ripon Cathedral. Very nice. Right, we'll go and have a little wander around the streets. Right, so we'll walk along this road and it should lead us into town centre. Walking back up the street towards the cathedral. Yeah, it's a little bit warmer than last time we come to Ripon. Freezing cold, weren't it? So this leads up to the town centre, doesn't it? If I remember right, this leads up to the town centre. We've got some sunshine coming. So here we are, centre of Ripon. So where the old market, I guess, wasn't it? Market Square in the middle.
Saturday and
Thursdays and Saturday, I think, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to have a look around the spa gardens. That the swimming pool's under restoration. Spa baths, swimming. Yeah. So it looks like that's been renovated. Hopefully been renovated. So this is the spa gardens. This is where you'll come for your exercise after your spa and that, won't it? Mm-hmm. There's a little cafe there, it's full inside, which is good I suppose. The Crazy Golf and the bowling green's been reseeded by the looks of it. And the paths are getting covered in leaves. Winter's on its way. Nice little gardens these actually. Yeah, this must be hotel grounds. Yeah. It is very nice, isn't it? So we're in the grounds of the Ripon Inn. It's like a big hotel. Yes, it's got some good grounds, hasn't it? So that's the Ripon Inn. Looking back up at it from bottom of the grounds. Well, we're discovering more of Ripon than what we did last time we were here. I think we just did town centre and the actual cathedral. I think Karen's wanted to go for a coffee in this hotel.
Not quite ready for it.
Not quite ready for a coffee.
You can do if you want to.
Yeah, might as well while we're here, haven't we? Right, so we're inside the Ripon Inn. Gonna have coffee and cake. Karen's looking at room prices. Well, it's very nice in there, we just had a nose round. Very nice. Yeah, the inn collection.
Yeah, the big place.
Mm-hmm. Summer concerts.
Yeah.
Got your bandstand over there, haven't you? It's not a big park, but it's very
Yeah,
nice.
but it's lovely.
Yeah.
It's a traditional. Well, it looks like it was
Yeah.
traditional. I don't know. It's got that spa. I mean, is it a spa? It is because it's got a spa bath.
Well, it's spa,
hasn't
yeah.
it?
Spa baths over
They've
there.
all got that same feel.
Yeah.
You know, when you go to them, it's yeah.
It goes on a bit down there, doesn't it? Or does it just... No, it just leads to a road, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I say, just for an overnight or a couple of nights.
Well, it's just perfect,
Yeah,
isn't it? 'Cause
it is, yeah.
you think where you can get to from
Well, you've
here.
got Fountains Abbey and
Abbey.
Studley Water Gardens, haven't you?
Yeah, got that.
You've got Ripon at night, haven't you, evening time?
Yeah, you can walk in.
Yeah.
I can think off the top of my head, you've got Harriet area.
Yeah,
I can think of 6 places from here, if you based yourself,
yeah,
that you could easily get to for a 2-3 night break.
yeah.
No, I think it's lovely.
Mm-hmm.
It really is.
That's where we are, back in the square. There's a fantastic furniture shop just back there. Karen's fell in love with some settees. It's certainly a lovely little market town, isn't it? Yeah. Gonna have a look in Soulmates. So we're back in the square again. All roads lead to the square. Yeah, it's only a small centre, isn't it? But
Yeah, but it's got everything you need, hasn't it?
yeah, try and find the canal then. Blind corner. No skateboarding. Courthouse museum's open anyway. Don't think I bothered about a courthouse.
No.
Only time I've been in one is jury, and that got cancelled.
That's enough.
Yeah. So the canal should be down here. This is an humpback bridge. Looks like a river to me, not a canal. This is the river shell. There's a walk along there as well, isn't there? So that's it. Scenic cruises. Ducks are here. Well, we thought when we saw Canal Basin, we thought it would be a few more canal boats. It's a dead end as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder you can't find it anywhere else. Canal side properties anyway. These would have been warehouses at one time, wouldn't they? Yeah. So that's Ripon Canal Wharf. I suppose at one time it would have been a bustling warehouse and that up there.
Well, I mean, there must more in because it's just.
Yeah, you've got moorings here, haven't you?
Yeah, 48 hour
Yeah.
maximum. So.
Yes, I don't think we'll follow the canal. There's no canal boats on here apart from that scenic cruise one. Right, so we'll go back the way we come.
bet that was some kind of marina manager's house or something like that. Hope you enjoyed this little walk around Ripon. We found some things we've not seen before. So we've got Cathedral behind us. We're going to head this way back now. So if you've enjoyed this little walk around with us, don't forget, do the normal YouTube stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.